Now it's a little difficult to see, but right in front of that little window is the Ramsey turkey. Now, I just learned about the Ramsey turkey as I walked past. A car pulled up here beside me, and this woman was taking a picture, and right beside me was this turkey who apparently is famous. And she told me about a Facebook page called The Loyal Followers of the Ramsey Turkey, where you can track where he is. Apparently a few days ago he was up on Cemetery Hill, and I think he's spooked now, so he's not showing his smiling face to us. So I'll move along and get out of the way. But what a lovely interaction with a complete stranger from across the street to learn about the Ramsey turkey, as I am just getting a social distance walk right now. So thanks for the conversation. So good. The person who I was speaking with across the street in the car, she had a passenger with her, and she said, well, there's nothing to do right now as we're isolated, so since we're all so cooped up, we thought we'd go for a drive. And I pointed out to her what a funny pun that was, and we had a little chuckle. And I really enjoyed just having a little chuckle, having a chat with a complete stranger from across the street. While we're social distancing, it is still possible to meet people. And on that note, I'd like to comment that a few people have asked me, well, Tony, how do you meet people when you can't do face-to-face? And what I'd suggest is that just give people lots of room on the sidewalk. Like, get out of the way for people who are older than you in advance, so that they have the right of way on the sidewalk. And just because we can't connect like we normally do, it certainly doesn't mean you can't still say hello or good afternoon or smile at the person. More people than usual aren't looking you in the eye and aren't looking me in the eye and are looking down. However, I've still been able to engage in lots of little mini discussions with people during this time, and you can certainly do that as well. But you need to reach out, and it's healthy to do so. It puts smiles on people's faces. So don't be afraid to say hello, even from across the street. You'll find that some people will actually jump at the chance to have a conversation with you because they too have been so cooped up. Keep up your social distancing and stay safe. And in the future, talk to more people. Cooped up. We're all cooped up.